Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sweet potato soup. We'll start by gathering all the essential ingredients for a truly delicious and comforting meal. You'll need about 2 pounds of sweet potatoes, a large onion, and some fresh garlic. We'll also prepare 4 cups of vegetable broth and 1 cup of creamy coconut milk, along with a few key spices to enhance the flavor profile. This simple recipe promises a delightful culinary experience. Next, we move to the stovetop to begin the cooking process. First, sauté your diced onion and minced garlic in a couple of tablespoons of olive oil until fragrant. Then, add the peeled and diced sweet potatoes, letting them cook for about 5 minutes to slightly soften. Pour in the vegetable broth, bring it to a gentle boil, and then reduce the heat to simmer for 20 minutes until the potatoes are perfectly tender. Now for the magic step, achieving that wonderfully smooth and creamy texture. Carefully transfer the cooked mixture into a blender, or use an immersion blender directly in the pot, blending until it's completely smooth. Stir in 1 cup of rich coconut milk, which adds a lovely sweetness and depth. Finally, season with 1 teaspoon of ground ginger and half a teaspoon of cumin to elevate the soup's aromatic qualities. To finish, gently reheat your soup if necessary, ensuring it's warm throughout. Taste and adjust the seasonings, adding a pinch more salt or pepper as you prefer. For a beautiful presentation and extra flavor, garnish with fresh cilantro, a sprinkle of toasted pumpkin seeds, or a swirl of your favorite cream. Serve this comforting and nutritious sweet potato soup immediately and savor every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.